you're a freelancer or content creator, chances are you didn't start your business to post manually on social media every day. You started it for freedom. But social media can quietly eat your time like an unpaid intern. So today, I want to show you the one tool I recommend if you're a solopreneur who wants to stay visible online without living inside social apps. And that tool is Buffer. So if you're a freelancer juggling clients, a content creator posting on multiple platforms, a solopreneur doing everything yourself, then Buffer is built for you. So not agencies, not complicated teams, just clean, simple, get it done workflows. One of the biggest struggles I see is this question: what should I post today? With Buffer, you can build your own idea content library. Instead of scrambling daily, you store ideas the moment inspiration hits. So think of it as a parking lot for your thoughts. So your future self will thank you. So this is the idea tab of Buffer. This is the templates tab where you can create a prompt or use a template. So you can explore these templates for my simple return to social, my early consistency wins, what I learned. Okay, so here, for example, here's my plan for showing up a little more this year. So let's explore templates, or maybe how to templates. For example, here's a step-by-step. So there, you can create posts using these templates. And then, so this is the ideas tab where you can plan your posts. So this is like a planning board where you can create a new idea and then put it in the to-do list in progress. And once done, then you can just put it there. So this is perfect because it will keep you posting. So you will have now consistency and you will achieve growth faster. So that's the create part. And then here, the publish part where you can just create a post, for example, on create post ahead of your schedule if you want to go on a vacation. So here you can post in advance so you don't need to worry or rush to post every day. So that's how these scheduling tools are made for. And then here is the community tab where you don't need to switch from one platform to another to reply all the comments. So Buffer makes it easier for you to engage with your community, your audience. All right, so here in the community tab, you can reply all the comments from all your social media platforms at once. So you don't need to switch from one platform to another in order to reply those comments. You batch your content once, and then Buffer handles the rest. So instead of juggling from one platform to another, Buffer will take care of the rest. Engagement matters because jumping between apps is actually exhausting. So with Buffer, you can actually reply to comments and messages in one place. So this makes staying human online easier, not heavier. And also with Buffer, collaboration is very easy because Buffer makes it easy to plan content, review posts, publish smoothly. So whether it's with a VA, client, or your future team, it scales with you. Okay, so Buffer is very, very affordable. As you can see, one channel is only $5 per month, and that's $60 billed yearly. So you can save 2 months. So you can use my link and get started for free. And then for a team plan, that's $10 per month. So one channel is $120 billed yearly, and you can also save for 2 months. So you can start your 15-day free trial and use my link and get started for free. So if you want to stay consistent on social media without burning out, check out Buffer using my link below. It's one of the easiest upgrades you can make as a freelancer or content creator who values time. So try Buffer now.